Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Yoon Kye-sang and Ha-ji-won fortune harmony analysis. Yoon Kye-sang and Ha-ji-won have applied for a fortune harmony analysis. They are people who are continuously popular. They are the same age. What kind of harmony do they have? Let's analyze it together. Yoon Kye-sang is the sun in his fortune. The sun hates being tied to small things in the world and recognizes itself as a special being. Ha-ji-won is a jewel in fortune. Jewels recognize themselves as special beings and they are very delicate. There are many people who are neat and beautiful. But when the sun and the jewels meet, they form a union. They already have a good relationship. Yoon Kye-sang has two letters that mean popularity in his fortune. Ha-ji-won has three letters that mean popularity. And the more you see it, the more attractive it is. They are very, very popular people, but they are also mentioned in the fortune. Then I will analyze it in detail. Yoon Kye-sang starts with the letter that starts with honor and flows energy into input energy. So there is a structure of energy inflow. These structures are passive, external help, and responsible for a given task. But there are also two types of energy in art. When these structures overlap, they add psychological stability and become very fun and comfortable people. He becomes a person who expresses himself very purely, and even though he is far away, he has the same energy as himself. So he is very competitive. It's very unfortunate that there are no letters that correspond to wealth and women. But structurally, it's a good structure that unfolds its artistic talents while being managed by a large agency. He is the sun, but he has a very good structure because he has a tree with a large input energy, and the letters that mean the art next to it are big mountains. However, there is a disadvantage that a woman does not feel her presence well even if he meets a woman because she is not in his fortune. Ha-ji-won is a structure in which energy starts from the letters meaning honor and man in the fortune, flows energy into input energy, and flows directly into herself. All letters are powerful. She does her best for the given role because she has a strong sense of responsibility. The letters that mean herself are also powerful, so they have a strong drive and self-esteem. This structure has a high metacognition and has a tendency to look back on herself. And the environment is also a good structure that is given to her. Although she can't do natural and comfortable activities because she doesn't have a disposition that corresponds to art and wealth. She has a strong disposition to always try. There is no energy leak, so a hobby is essential. And it is a quiet style that doesn't talk much. They have the same structure of energy inflow, and Yoon Kye-sang doesn't have matter energy, but Ha-ji-won makes up for it. And Ha-ji-won doesn't have tree energy and water energy, but Yoon Kye-sang makes up for it. Even if Yoon Kye-sang doesn't have a woman's energy, the two of them look good together and complement each other. So I will give them 85% of the fortune harmony score. Please develop further and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.